Hey guys, so have finally managed to get some of the key specs of the upcoming Doogee V20 Pro. So I'll compare the specs with that of the V20. Now this is just a specs comparison video. It's not enough to conclude that one device is better than the other. But of course, comparing the specs of two devices could make you know how one has been improved to be better than the other, which is the reason why I'm making this video. It is just to make us know how the V20 Pro has been improved to be better than the V20. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's quickly dig into it. So the V20 Pro is 14mm thick and it weighs 298 grams. The V20 has a similar thickness and it weighs 296 grams. Almost the same weight as the V20 Pro. So both devices have the same 6.43-inch Full HD Plus Amoled display with a 60Hz refresh rate, which is protected with an unspecified version of Gorilla Glass. Both devices are also powered by the Dimensity 700. So let's move on to memory. The Doogee V20 Pro utilizes 12GB RAM and it has 256GB internal storage, while the V20 has 8GB RAM with a similar internal storage. The Pro version runs on the Android 12 operating system, while the V20 runs on the Android 11 operating system. So in the camera department, the V20 Pro is equipped with a triple rear camera setup, including a 64MP primary sensor, 24MP night vision camera, an 8MP wide angle lens, and it also features a thermal camera. And speaking of thermal camera, the 256 by 192 pixel resolution module and software are provided by Infrared, not Flare, which is a much more recognized thermal imaging brand. The V20 also features a triple rear camera setup, including a 64MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision, and 8MP wide angle lens. It doesn't feature thermal imaging. Both devices have the same 16MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Also, the battery capacity of both devices are the same, a 6000 mAh battery, but the V20 Pro supports 65 watts fast charging, while the V20 supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 15 watts wireless charging. I cannot tell for now if the V20 Pro would support wireless charging. So other features of both devices are pretty much the same. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K. They are both military standard 810H certified. They both support NFC. I believe both devices would have the same Bluetooth 5.1, side fingerprint scanner, and Face ID. I don't know the price of the V20 Pro, but I expect it to cost a little bit more than the V20 because of its upgraded features. So there we go guys, the V20 Pro versus the V20. What do you think about both devices? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.